Hey guys, welcome back to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. Can anyone help me open my door? Or can anybody help me open my door? Anyone and anybody are pronouns. Want to know more about it? Let's watch. Question of the week. Profe Angela. What is the difference between anyone and anybody? Alejandra, Barranquilla, Colombia. Great question, Alejandra. Well, anyone and anybody are pronouns. When we use anyone, it means any person, and anybody is interchangeable with anyone. This means they are very similar. For example, I would be happy if anyone would help me open my gift. Or, I would be happy if anybody would call me today. Let's practice. Can anyone answer these questions? Now, repeat the question with anybody. Great! Anybody can join the group and participate. Now repeat the sentence with anyone. Great!
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Write a sentence with the pronouns anyone and anybody. Now remember, both anyone and anybody are very similar. Have fun creating your sentences. And if you need help, search online for example sentences. Then share them with us. Hey Alejandra, thank you so much for that great question this week. I always wondered about anyone and anybody and why they sounded so much alike. And now we know why, because they're similar. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's lesson on Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of your English language learning experience. If you are my English language warriors, remember to hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and join the APA family. All right, guys, have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time. See you.